How to change Gmail background. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would be learning how you can change Gmail background on your mobile phone. So the first step is to log in into your into your Google account by launching the Gmail app, and then move to the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines. Then in the drop-down menu that appears, scroll down and click on settings, which is the second to the last option here. Then select the Google account that you'd like to change its background. And then once you're on the Google accounts page, the next step is for you to scroll down until you can see the option theme. Alright. So you can see the option theme. Now, by scrolling up, you will see that there's nothing like theme here. That is because the mobile app for Gmail does not support custom backgrounds or changing backgrounds. So the only thing you can do on the mobile app for Gmail is to make your mode light or dark based on your system mode. Like for example, for me, my system theme is currently on dark mode, and so my Gmail is also on dark mode. But if my system theme or UI is on light mode, my Gmail will also take that. But on the web browser, you can change your background, all right? You can change the background of your Gmail account. But for the application, you cannot. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.